technical enough can make you quit, but some breakthroughs come from a different fit. You don't need a lab or a coded plan, just a fresh set of eyes and a daring hand.
Oh yeah, a physicist built a heart pump small. Dr. Jarvik wasn't a surgeon at all. A software guy disliked the mess, so Carl from Jard helped YouTube tech progress. You don't need to know it all, just the courage to stand tall. See the gas that others hold, go big, go bold. You don't need to know it all, just the courage to stand tall. See the gas that others hold.
Going big, going. Printers jam one night. Scott Crump made 3D print and take flight. An outsider tinkered with metal and flame. Shuji Nakamura made LEDs change the game.
The biggest shifts the world